You might not think of it as an anti-aging secret. You might even actively avoid it because of stiff knees or a creaky back. But what if I told you one single movement, done correctly and consistently, could be the most powerful, overlooked tool to keep you young, mobile, and pain-free well into your 50s, 60s, and beyond?
This isn't about expensive supplements or complex gym routines. It's about unlocking a natural ability your body already possesses, a primal movement almost everyone had as a child. Stick with me, because if you're not doing this, you're missing out on incredible vitality. The toddler and the decline. Problem validation. Let's rewind for a moment. Imagine watching a toddler play. They bend down to pick up a toy, sitting deep into a squat with perfect posture. No hesitation, no struggle. That's not just cute. That's the way the human body was designed to function. It's natural. It's effortless. But somewhere along the line, we lose it. By the time most people hit 40, 50, or 60, they avoid deep squatting altogether. The common excuses? Bad knees, tight hips. I can't get down that low. But the real reason isn't always age itself. It's inactivity. Years of sitting in chairs, slouching over screens, and neglecting lower body strength that literally shut down the very muscles that keep us young and independent. The dangerous myth debunked and the primal power revealed. Here's the truth, and listen closely. The deep squat is not dangerous. Losing the ability to deep squat, that's what's dangerous. When you lose the deep squat, you start compensating. You use your hands to get up from a chair. You bend from your back instead of your hips. You take shorter, shuffling steps. Eventually, it's not just about movement. It's about losing your independence. But the deep squat changes everything. When done properly, this single primal movement fires up your glutes, quads, hamstrings, calves, and core. It dynamically stretches your hips, knees, and ankles. It wakes up your spine. It teaches balance, control, and coordination, all of this packed into one fluid, efficient motion. It's a return to your body's natural blueprint. Why it's the #1 anti-aging exercise. The 6 core powers. So, why is the deep squat the #1 anti-aging exercise, especially for men over 50? It boils down to these 6 incredible powers. Full joint mobility. Deep squats restore the full natural range of motion in your hips, knees, and ankles. This means you can move with less stiffness, sit more comfortably, and truly unlock your body's potential for fluidity. Total lower body strength. You're training nearly half your entire body in one move. This builds crucial muscle that directly fights age-related muscle loss, known as sarcopenia, the silent thief of strength as we age. Unlocks balance and coordination. Regularly practicing deep squats drastically improves your balance and coordination. This isn't just for sports. It significantly reduces the risk of falls, which is a major concern as we get older. Knee and joint stability. Contrary to the myth, squatting doesn't ruin your knees. When done correctly, it strengthens the muscles surrounding your joints, making them more stable, resilient, and less prone to pain. Core and spine support. Deep squats powerfully engage your entire core, helping to support your spine and actively fight off that common forward hunched posture so many people develop later in life. Stand tall again.
Circulation, digestion boost. Even holding a deep squat for just 30 seconds increases blood flow to your lower body, improves circulation, and can even aid digestion by decompressing the abdominal area. Think of it like brushing your teeth, but for your joints and muscles. Skip it for a few days, you feel stiff. Ignore it for years, you lose the function. Practice it daily, and you age better, move better, and live longer. How to start? The daily habit. And here's the best part. You don't need to load up a barbell or even go to a gym. You can start right at home, right now. This is your daily squat revival, something you can easily do twice a day. Just stand with your feet shoulder-width apart, toes pointed slightly out. Keep your chest up, look straight ahead, and keep your back straight. Now slowly lower yourself as if you're trying to sit down between your heels, not just on a chair. Go as low as you comfortably can while keeping your heels on the ground. Don't worry if you can't go all the way at first. Just go as low as you can with good form. Hold the position for a few seconds, breathe deeply, then rise back up with control. Here's how to integrate it twice a day. Morning wake up. Do 5 to 10 repetitions or hold a deep squat for 30 to 60 seconds after you brush your teeth. Evening reset. Before dinner or during an evening stretch, another 30 to 60 reps or a 30 to 60 second hold. Use a support like a door frame or a sturdy chair if needed. Your body is incredibly adaptable. Before long, getting off the floor won't feel like a chore. Picking up groceries won't strain your back, and playing with your kids or grandkids won't seem so out of reach. Your independence will soar. The transformation and what you're missing. The deep squat isn't just an exercise, it's a blueprint for healthy aging. It's a fundamental movement that unlocks true strength, mobility, and vitality. And yet, 99% of people simply ignore it. Don't be one of them. Don't let years of sitting steal your natural ability to move freely. Bring back the squat. Bring back your strength. Bring back your independence. You are meant to age upright, strong, and unstoppable. The challenge. If this video opened your eyes to the incredible power of the deep squat and you're serious about reclaiming your vitality, here's a challenge for you. If this video gets 1,000 likes, I will reveal an extraordinary, never-before-seen anti-aging exercise routine specifically for men over 50 in my very next video. It builds on the squat and targets areas most people ignore. So hit that like button right now. Let's hit that goal together and unlock even more secrets. It tells YouTube this content is valuable and it helps other men find it. And if you want more actionable, science-backed strategies for men's health, fitness, and longevity over 50, then don't wait. Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification so you don't miss our upcoming videos. Now, I want to hear from you. What's one area of your mobility or strength you want to improve most? Let me know in the comments below. I read every single one. See you in the next video, and keep squatting.